안녕하세요. Essential Korean K세요입니다. Hello, this is K from Essential Korean. We will learn a few expressions you will encounter at a cafe or at an eatery in Korea, as well as a few essential expressions you will need to order food or drinks there. Let's get started. You may or may not be greeted with this expression, 안녕하세요, which means hello. Whether or not they greet you with 안녕하세요, you can greet them with a friendly hello, right? Let's practice. 안녕하세요. 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 Now to the main business. Beside 안녕하세요, before taking your order, they may also welcome you with this expression. 어서 오세요. 어서 오세요. 어서 오세요. The verb endings of the expressions used to take a customer's order at a cafe or eatery may vary. But you'll hear the word 주문 for sure because 주문 means an order in Korean. With that, here are a couple of expressions you may hear. Here's one of the two I'll introduce to you. 주문 도와드릴게요. 주문 도와드릴게요. 주문 도와드릴게요. A brief grammar lesson here. 주문 means an order. 도와 carries the meaning of helping. 드릴게요 is a form of verb which ends the sentence and indicates the speaker's intention of performing an action on behalf of someone. On to the second expression when a server or cashier is ready to take your order asked in question. 주문하시겠어요? 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 It's now your turn to speak and give them your order. I'll teach you 3 ways to do that, but no worries, I promise they will be very simple. First, you can simply say what you want and add yo to it. For example, if you want ice americano, you can say ice americano요. Repeat after me. ice americano요. ice americano요. ice americano요. If you want to order cappuccino, you can say cappuccino요. 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 Next, you can say 주세요 after saying what you would like. So, if you want ice americano, you say ice americano 주세요. ice americano 주세요. ice americano 주세요. For cappuccino, you would say cappuccino 주세요. cappuccino 주세요. cappuccino 주세요. Very good. Finally, you can add 로 or 으로 to what you would like to have. And say the same verb as the second expression, 주세요, 주세요. You would add 로 after a vowel ending noun or a noun that ends with the consonant 리을 and add 으로 after a noun that ends with a consonant, except the 리을 ending noun. Here, 로 and 으로 follows a noun and indicates that the noun it follows is your choice. In other words, using 로 or 으로 after a noun indicates that the noun which 으로 or 로 follows is the choice that you're making. So, if you want ice americano, you would say ice americano로 주세요. ice americano로 주세요. ice americano로 주세요. Very good. Now, for a double shot cappuccino, you would say cappuccino double shot 으로 pronounced 더블샷으로 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 주세요. 카푸치노 더블샷으로 주세요. 카푸치노 더블샷으로 주세요. 카푸치노 더블샷으로 주세요. The difference between 카푸치노 주세요 and 카푸치노로 주세요 would be that 카푸치노 주세요 simply means please give me cappuccino. Whereas 카푸치노로 주세요 would mean please give me my choice, which is cappuccino. Do you see the difference? Very good. On the other hand, the simplest form cappuccino요, which is the very first of the 3 expressions of giving an order, would give the vibe of a cappuccino please, in which there's no verb of give. After they take your order, they'll probably ask you if your order is for stay or to go. I'll cover 3 expressions here, 1 for stay and 2 for to go. For stay, 드시고 가세요. which means will you eat and go? 드시고 가세요? 드시고 가세요? 드시고 가세요? For to go. 포장이세요? which means will you be packing? 포장이세요? 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 Another one for to go. 가져가세요? which means will you take it with you? 가져가세요? 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 Now, if you eat on site, say 먹고 가요, which means I'll eat and go. Repeat after me. 먹고 가요. 먹고 가요. 먹고 가요. You can also say 여기서 먹어요 to mean I'm eating here. Repeat after me. 여기서 먹어요. 여기서 먹어요. 여기서 먹어요. If it is for takeout, you can say 포장요. 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 Or say 테이크아우트요 for, of course, takeout. Repeat after me. 테이크아우트요. 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 Or you can also say 가져가요 to mean I'm taking it with me. Repeat after me. 가져가요. 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 After that, they'll be ready to take payment from you. You may hear something like this. 계산 도와드릴게요. 계산 means calculation or payment, and obviously in this situation it would mean payment. 도와 has the meaning of helping, and 드릴게요 again indicates speaker's intention of performing an action which benefits someone. Here's the expression again. 계산 도와드릴게요. 계산 도와드릴게요. 계산 도와드릴게요. After you make the payment, if it's a place where they hand you a buzzer to notify customers when the order is ready, they will probably say this as they hand you a buzzer. 준비되면 진동벨로 알려드릴게요. 준비되면 means when the order is ready. 알려 carries the meaning of informing. 드릴게요 again indicates the speaker's intention of performing an action on behalf of someone. 준비되면 진동벨로 알려드릴게요. 준비되면 진동벨로 알려드릴게요. To that, you take the buzzer and say 네 and thank them with 고맙습니다. 네, 고맙습니다. 네, 고맙습니다. 네, 고맙습니다. That's it. You are all set to go to a cafe or eatery in Korea and enjoy your drinks and food there. If you would like more videos like this, please check out my channel, Essential Korean. Or if you like to try out the Essential Korean curriculum, please check out the description below for the links to the first course on our website. I hope to see you there. 고맙습니다.